condom is it? I'm
Just
really.
told you who condom it was. It was mine, and it was on my finger. Just a prank. What is you doing?
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. Cause you know I want you, babe. And I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. When she with me, them other niggas is stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She don't want no Rolex, she want me to make time. Even though Halloween, that girl my Valentine. The bus ain't bad, gotta be in jail right now.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ken, and you already know I'm back with a banger. So today, right now, I'm outside of this now. We finna go back to my house, you feel me? Since she wanted to do a prank on me, I thought this was the perfect time to do one on her. So today, I'm gonna do the, wait it. The used condom prank. See, it's a new condom. I bought it, you feel me? I'm gonna take this out of it, you feel me? And I'm gonna put this somewhere. I'm gonna throw this away, you feel me? But I'm gonna throw this somewhere and put it in the bag. Put this thing in the bag somewhere. You feel me? So I'm gonna put it in my armrest, cause I'm acting like I'm getting a charger or something. I'm just gonna say something to her, like, you feel me? Like, give me some comments or a charger or something. I'm gonna put it right here in the armrest. So you feel me? I hope she, I don't know what she gonna do, cause I really, you feel me? But I know she gonna go crazy, you feel me? So yeah, y'all, I hope this be a good one. Go ahead and drop Team Ken in the comments, bro. I hope I get the reaction she got out of me on the last prank, bro. If you haven't already, smash that like button, comment down below, share this video, bro. Get this video to 4K. I want to get this video to 4K, bro. And subscribe, bro. Hit that notification bell, bro. So we finna get into this video. Let's do it, let's go. He need to come back here, bro. I hope y'all can hear her good, bro. So I'm gonna put this right here. Feel me? But I hope she don't see it, bro, cause it's right here, bro. Like, I hope she don't turn around and see it. So come on, bro. I hope this be a good one, bro. I'm insane now. You really stay the same way, you gonna change now. You brought me something to drink? You brought me something to drink? Come on, never mind. Don't worry about it. Come on. I'm insane now. Get ready to stay the same way. It won't change now. When it get the dog, you gotta go get out my face now. Yeah, smoking strong. Bitch, I'm on the road. I can't come back home. Oh, I'm cussing. Hey, my butt. Let me kiss you. It's cold. Try to put the heat on. Hey now. I'm insane now. Get rich and stay the same, we ain't gon' change now. When I get the doors, you gotta go get out my face now. Yeah, smoking strong. Bitch, I'm on the road. I can't come back home now. Bitch, I'm for a pro. Let me up some these niggas really hoes. Now they did the same soul. When I fuck her, she want more. I just left the thing, pay the judge, then I go. Dirty hoes. I want money, I want more. My fucking guns. I might fuck her home. No, is it worth it? But the level, I want perky. When I hit the scene with my bitch, she got a perky. No, it's not. Feel like I'm the same close to curry. When I I'm insane now. Get rich and stay the same, we ain't gon' change now. When I get the doors, you gotta go get out my face now. Niggas smoking strong. Bitch, I'm on the road. I can't come back home. So what was we eat?
I ain't hungry.
I'm hungry, bro.
I want some ice cream.
Wanna go Cold Stone?
I want a cone, like from McDonald's.
Cold Stone. You tried they waffle cone?
Yeah.
I like that. Good, bro.
I really still want an ice cream cone from McDonald's.
Yeah. Carmen. This is my garden party. See if you guys know.
Carmen?
Yeah. See if you in there. I thought I put something in there.
What you get them on?
you doing too much. Yeah.
Quit playing with me. What's these? What you got?
What's it is? It's a condom. What the fuck? What else it is? Looking like it's open. Isn't it?
Quit playing with me. I'm serious.
Serious? Oh, wait, bro.
Why is this in your car?
Wait, in my car.
Why is this in your car?
I don't know.
You need to slow down first off. Why is this in your car? Though?
I don't know, bro.
What you mean? What you mean? Somebody else been in here?
I guess so.
Who?
I mean, your daddy can drive my car on a date.
No, he would. When?
But I don't know who it is.
So you got that cheat on your mom? Okay. So that's what you make this seem like though. So who is this? What you
You
doing?
ain't mad.
How they chosen in your car? Who else is
You
it?
ain't mad.
Who else is it?
You ain't mad. I don't know who it is, and I don't know why it's open for anyways. Who opened it? Oh, I know they ain't coming on me. I was playing with my finger. This like I was play, like I was putting on my finger and playing with it. This like it ain't nothing.
You sound dumb and what the like ooh the foo or something.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying. Like
Babe, I just told you what happened.
yeah,
Dang.
quit playing. I'm really giving you like I don't feel like in an attitude today. I don't feel like doing nothing.
You never feel like nothing.
Okay, well whose is it?
Babe, you know who it is. Like, come on, bro. Like,
So somebody else been in here is basically what you and then it's out. What the
I mean, it is a condom. It's gonna be greasy, Destiny. I just told you what happened. Dang.
Will you-
I don't even use those.
it's like okay, so whose is this? Why is it in your car?
I just told you what I was doing. I was putting it on my finger and playing with it.
You sound dumb. You really sound dumb. Like you really sound dumb.
You don't believe me.
Okay, who's these? I just want
You
the
don't
truth. I just
believe
want
me,
the
bro.
truth.
You don't
I just want the
believe me?
truth.
You don't
I just
believe
want the
me? You don't
truth. I
believe
just
me?
want the truth.
I just told you the truth. It sounds weird, but I'm telling you the truth.
So you was playing with it on your finger.
Yes. I was bored. I was just sitting in the red light like this when they just doing this on my finger. Bored. Cause this was the last one I had in my car. Anyway.
What do you take me as? I'm just trying to see. Like, wait, do you?
Bro.
I don't. Wait.
Bro, what you mean? Wait.
Who's this?
I just told you who this is, bro. Quit. Throw it out the door, fam. Right here. Not right here, though. Not right here where everybody can see it. But I'm just saying, bro, you just overdoing it, bro. Real talk. So now I'm cheating on you? That what you saying?
What the fuck supposed to expect in economies in your car?
Destiny, I just told you why the condoms in my car. You now I'm cheating on you.
That's a lie though. That's a lie though.
But now I'm cheating on you though.
What else you doing? I'm just trying to see how did the condom get in your car? Why is it open?
And with the condom on my finger. That's what else I'm doing. Now you don't believe me. You overdo stuff, bro.
Take me back home. How about that?
I'm not taking you back
Take
home.
me back home, bro.
You
Real
think I'm
talk.
finna weigh my gas? You
I
finna
don't
go
wanna
sit
hit
at my
you.
house till
I
I
don't
get.
wanna hit you.
You finna go sit
I
at
don't
my
wanna
house till I
hit
get.
you.
Till I get.
I don't want to hit
till I get doing
you.
what
I don't
want.
want to hit you. Take me back home.
I'm not taking you.
Take me back home because you
I'm not
lying and I'm
taking
giving you a chance to tell me the truth. Take me back home.
I'm not taking you.
Take me back home. Quit
Listen,
playing with me. And
quit
I'm
playing
dead
with me
serious.
like you
I'm
know-
not playing. I don't give a
Bruh.
fuck. Hey,
Stop
yo.
being a real
Yeah.
mom.
Take me back home though.
Alright,
Take me back
nah,
home.
just chill. Just
You might as well turn me back
chill.
around. I'm not playing with you.
Hey, just
Because you
chill.
smiling like a fuck. I'm not.
Babe, just chill, okay?
Okay.
Damn.
So when you see one in my car, please don't come at me. Please don't say nothing. Since we playing that type of game, since we playing, and somebody else do. Since we playing that type of game, when you see one in my car, please don't play with me because I was playing with it on my finger. You see what I'm saying? I was playing with it on my finger, right? Oh my bad, he was.
It's don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me. I promise God, don't play with me, bro. Real talk. Like I just told you, if you don't believe me, bro, you can get the
You
stepping
lying.
straight up.
Get the stepping. Okay, take me back home. I want to get the
You ain't
stepping.
going home right
I
now.
want to get the stepping
You ain't
because
going home right now, though. You ain't going home right now. Like I said, you're not going home right now. Stop playing with me. Sit here and be quiet.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Who called?
If you don't believe me, bro, you
it?
might as well just chill.
Who's is it?
Wait.
Who's is it? Because I'm giving you a
It's
chance.
mine! I just told you it's mine!
You weren't playing with it on your finger though. I'm not dumb. I'm not a dummy. Okay?
Okay, what else I'm doing? If I ain't playing with it on my finger, what else I'm doing?
Why do people use? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. See, this always the distraction. I'm talking to you. Who condom is it? Cause I'm really
told you who condom it was. It was mine, and it was on my finger. You don't believe me? That's the problem right now. Ain't no trust in this relationship.
Ain't no trust because you doing oh Lord G. How else am I supposed to? You really pissing me off. I'm not playing. I'm not playing
Listen, I just sat up here and told you where the condom come from and what I was doing with it. There's nothing else to it, babe. I promise you. There's nothing else to it. So calm down, okay? I was playing with it on my finger. Damn. We're doing this shit, bro. Real talk. Damn, you wanna ruin our day today? Just chill. Yeah. Then you gonna throw my phone on. Get my phone from up there. Get my phone! Alright, then. Now you quiet. Now you got the silence treatment, bro. You got the silence treatment.
Take me back home.
I'll take you back home.
I don't want to go in your house. Take me back home.
You go in my house, then. You can sit outside in the car. I told you I gotta go in here real quick.
Okay, I'm in. When you come out, the hope I'll be rigged. How about that?
You know, in my car.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
You'll
Okay.
get hurt before you get in my car.
Okay. We gonna see.
You gonna see too. You not finna wreck my car. Is you crazy? You got your mind? Right in the house real quick.
I don't know what you take me in.
This is my girlfriend. What else
I'm
I'm
your
supposed to take
girlfriend,
you in?
period. We done at this point right now because you take me like I'm supposed to be something. Like I'm a peon or something. Like I'm just a doing it day.
You don't believe me.
You really playing with me like you.
I'm not playing with you.
You playing with me right now.
I'm not playing with you.
Okay.
You think I'm sitting up here playing, nigga? When I tell you I'm up here, man, I'm not playing. I can't be playing. I'm not playing. It did.
Who is this? I'm just giving you a chance to really just tell me the truth. I'm telling you right now, I don't feel like playing. That's number one.
I'm not playing.
I can get pissed off.
That's you.
I don't.
Sitting up here.
Okay, one more time. Who condom is it? Who condom is it?
Nobody. Where you going?
I'm finna walk home because I don't have time.
I know you
I walk home. You don't stay too far. Y'all don't stay that far.
You ain't walking home. No.
Okay.
What you doing? Bro, it's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, bro.
No,
It's just a prank, bro.
I promise you.
Bro, it's just a prank. What are you
You
doing?
getting on my nerves.
Bro, it's just a prank, bro. Look.
No. Give me up.
Bro,
Stop the car.
It's just a prank,
Stop the
bro.
car,
It's
though.
just a
Okay,
prank,
stop the
though,
car,
bro.
though. Stop
Bro, you overdoing it, bro.
Okay,
okay. We gonna see.
Okay.
Now you overdoing
Please
it.
stop the car, though.
It's just a prank, though, bro.
No,
I know you
prank
see me
nothing.
back here,
I
bro.
just told y'all when I'm moving now.
It's just a prank,
Okay,
bro.
okay.
It's just a prank. Where you going?
Who called the music?
It's a prank, nigga. See?
Who called the music?
Look at the camera, babe.
Where did it come
Babe,
from?
it's a prank.
Where did it come
It's
from?
a prank, babe. It's a prank. I bought one. Where you gonna get the car from? It's a prank. Hey. Nah, I'm driving right now. You get back there and get it. It say Team Kid. Right. Get back there and get it. It say Team Kid. Get back there and get it. It say Team Kid. Get there. Get back there.
What is it?
Don't play with me.
It's
Oh,
your
my life.
Team Destiny, huh?
Listen to
Huh?
Team Kid. Get back there and get this camera and say Team Kid.
Oh, okay. You hit this real good too.
Get back there. Team Kid, dog. Team Kid, bro. Like I said. Team Kid, bro. She want to sit up here and get an attitude, so you don't trust me now, right?
What am I supposed to say if you had to come to your car and it's open?
I'm just saying, bro.
just
You don't
saying.
trust me, bro?
What else am I supposed to think?
What you mean? What is you supposed to think? You supposed to go off.
Okay, exactly. So what did you say?
But it's Team Kid and nobody, bro. Like, share, comment, share this video, bro. Get this video to 4K views, bro.
Here, I don't want to.
I can't drive and do this, girl. Look, get this to 4K views, bro. Let's do it, let's go, and I'm out, man.